Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing the loop, sign out, and clear the immediate state so Minecraft can request fresh credentials. First, make sure your console or PC is online and your Microsoft account works. Test in the Microsoft Store or Xbox app. Once done, fully quit Minecraft. Use Task Manager on PC or force close the title on console. Then, sign out of your Xbox/Microsoft profile from the game and system settings, so the next sign-in is clean and new. Now remove the stale tokens that caused the error. On PC, open Settings Accounts Access Work or School and remove Microsoft entries. Clear Credential Manager entries for Xbox Live. On console, remove account and clear saved local data for Minecraft if prompted. Reboot the device to ensure services restart and caches clear. After restart, launch Minecraft and choose Sign In with Microsoft. A fresh token exchange will occur and establish a new authentication session. Finally, re-authenticate properly so the expiration error disappears. When the Microsoft sign-in window appears, enter credentials and accept any permission prompts for Minecraft. This renews your token and links your Xbox Live profile. Make sure your gamertag and friends list appear in-game and test a multiplayer join or marketplace access to confirm. If you still see Auth expired, go to Account. Microsoft.com, remove Minecraft app permissions. Revoke tokens, then repeat sign-in. That forces a complete credential reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.